Reece Brown is a professional footballer who plays as a midfielder for Huddersfield Town. Brown joined Birmingham City at the age of 10, and after leaving school, he took up a scholarship with the club in July of 2012. Brown made his senior debut for Birmingham City in the Football League in September of 2013, and spent time on loan at League One clubs Notts City in September of 2014 and Chesterfield in early 2017. He was released by Birmingham City in 2017 and joined Forest Green Rovers, where he spent 2 seasons, playing 94 games, scoring 14 goals and creating 19 assists. In June of 2019, he signed a 3-year contract with Huddersfield Town. Having played just once for Huddersfield Town in the EFL Cup, Brown went on loan to Peterborough United on the 3rd of January 2020. After spending the second half of the 2019-2020 season on loan at Peterborough, he rejoined the club also on loan ahead of the 2020-2021 season. So far, he has played 54 games for Peterborough, scoring 2 goals and creating 2 assists. Brown has also represented England from the under-16 to the under-20 levels.